So this is almost exactly what we want, except that the wireframe depicts the input as a dropdown. Now, without any custom code, there's only one way I've been able to find to create a dropdown, and unfortunately, it requires that we add a unique entry for each tour type. But it's a way that we can get a matchup with the wireframe, and we can let our developers refactor it once they get into building some custom code. The technique we're going to use here is called grouping filters. So I'm going to go up to the filters, and we're going to edit our title here. And instead of using single filter, we're going to use grouped filters. What this is going to do is allow us to create multiple filters and group them together as a dropdown. To pull this off, we're going to need an entry for every tour type there is, and we'll have to manually add it here. So we would put extreme snorkeling, and then we can leave the operator at contains here and put extreme snorkeling. And we would do the same for every other tour type. We have Pogo Mountain Marathon, and we also have space jumping. Now, the value here is going to have to match up exactly with the title that we're using for the content type. So if we got any of this wrong, we'll have to come back and edit it in a minute. Let's apply this. You may get an error that says an illegal choice has been detected. You can ignore that for now. If you do change the item here in the title, it should narrow it down for you. So here we are, extreme snorkeling. And we can test out our other tour types. Pogo Mountain, we show something, and space jumping. So now these are the only tours that we have right now that are active. So in the future, we're going to need to add the other tours as well. But we can leave it like this for the time being. Again, this is not ideal because it means that if the title to any of these tours changes, we'll have to remember to come in here and change the title in this filter.